Leveraging social media marketing in healthcare-based non-profit organizations, insights from the technology acceptance model. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This study seeks to identify the variables that both positively and negatively influence the usage of social media marketing, SMM, by South African healthcare-based non-profit organizations, HBNPOs, based on the Technology Acceptance Model, TAM. Social media has emerged as a key tool for fostering dialogue between HBNPOs and their stakeholders in South Africa. A majority of NPOs agree that marketing is essential for raising funds and awareness, yet comparatively few partake extensively in new digital marketing activities. Based on the researchers' expertise, judgmental sampling, the study selected 13 respondents, marketing and/or social media managers, coordinators, and directors to participate. The study used a qualitative approach through semi-structured interviews to understand the perspectives of HBNPOs and their use of social media marketing, SMM. The interviews were transcribed and analyzed using Atlas.t. The study elucidates motivational variables influencing the actual usage of SMM via the integration of the TAM and considers aspects like external variables, perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, and behavioral intention within an HBNPO context. The research affirms the importance of the use of SMM for the sustainability and promotion of HBNPOs. Increased awareness, donation appeals, community relationships, cost-effective platform to raise funds, powerful images and patient stories lead to brand emotions and positive image, but also reveals a number of negative influences that impede the usage of SMM by HBNPOs. Lack of government support, corporate sponsors, time, understanding, capacity, resources, and a small donor pool. Practically, SMM presents an opportunity for HBNPOs to allocate necessary resources toward its strategic use as a communication approach, enabling them to take advantage of the beneficial and sustainable influences. Theoretically, this investigation supports the foundational principles of the TAM and adds to it from a qualitative perspective. By highlighting the sustainable and negative influences of external factors, perceived usefulness and ease of use, and behavioral intentions based on SMM usage by HBNPOs, the study enhances understanding of digital marketing, broad NPO management, and the organizational behavior of HBNPOs in a developing nation context via the TAM framework. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.